inches. You're right. Each year, the moon moves away about an inch away from Earth. Listen again. Each year, the moon moves about an inch away from Earth. What moves away from Earth?
The moon.
And how far does the moon move away from Earth each year?
Inch.
Good listening. Okay, listen. Every hour, trace around the puddle with chalk. Listen again. Every hour, trace around the puddle with chalk. What should you trace around?
The puddle.
And how often should you trace around the puddle?
With chalk.
Listen again.
Every hour.
Every hour. And what should you use to trace around the puddle?
Chalk.
Amazing. Listen to this sentence. Water animals hide in plants for protection. Here, I'll repeat it again. Water animals hide in plants for protection. Where do water animals hide?
Plants.
And why do they hide?
For protection.
Yeah, to protect themselves. All right, listen to this one.